Okay, guys, hope you're well. This is kind of an early coffee with Scruff. I'll tell you for why. I'm doing the weekend sort of small account thing across Saturday and Sunday when I would normally be doing coffee with Scruff. Now, coffee with Scruff is always about what's in my mind, what I've got up to, etc., etc. But sometimes it's just to clarify something. Now, this is something I am going to clarify. You see, when I started the small accounts a while ago, everybody laughed at me. You know, said it was stupid. I wouldn't spend 2 days just to get a couple of quid. All of this sort of thing. But I stuck with it. Anyway, cut a long story short, if you've been watching the Vanguard series, you'll have seen that growing quite substantially this year. But it started really small.
It's a tiny piece of paper. Okay, that's all it is. Tiny piece of paper.
But now's the part that I want to show you. Because if you set seeds in the ground and you do it correctly, and that's what the weekend is all about. So, and the weekender is basically, it's 100 quid on cryptocurrencies, trading it on a Saturday and a Sunday with my BlackBull broker. I use BlackBull because it's got the leverage and it's got the weekend capabilities. So if you want to try it and follow that journey, come join me tomorrow and you'll get the links if you want to use the same broker down below. But let's have a little look at what the Vanguard has achieved. Well, today it's standing at 76,000, 176,000. Now, I did have a comment saying, it's a spreadsheet. Put what you want in a spreadsheet. Yeah, you're right, I can. I can also put what I want into a bank account. The only difference is the bank account is live. So I can put it in. You will see whether or not it's still there. Well, let's have a look, shall we? Because as like that, let me log into a couple of things. So the first thing I want to do is show you the Discord. Now, the date today is the 16th. Now, I did an update for the guys the other day where you can see it was 175,260. Okay. And I was really pleased with it because that was my year target for it. Okay. In fact, I was jumping through the tulips and so was she. And in fact, she's now got, if you can see her computer, she's looking at houses now because she thinks I'm mega rich. Well, I used to be mega rich, then I met her. Now I make Oliver look like a friggin' rock star.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Please, sir, can I have some more?
You see anything?
No, I do see anything and you fucking don't do it. Crazy bitch. But she is painting today because we do want to get another house, which is one of the processes of doing the Vanguard in the first place. But there's the date, 14th of January, a couple of days ago. And there is the valuation from the portfolio. Now, this is part of the small acorns that we do in the Discord. And the idea is that we encourage each other to build up our investments and our portfolios. Humble beginnings. Now, I'm going to log on to the Vanguard because I've logged off. So let me just log in and I will show you. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So there's the portfolio as of today. There it is there, 16th of January, 26. 2 days. Okay, so the last time I put any money into this was on the 14th. And I put 916 in because I cashed out the other small account that I was doing. Thought, right, take some money out of it because I'm doing other projects now. And I'll put that in here. And it tipped over my balance, which is 175,000 for my financial year. Now, I go April to April. That's what this bit here is. And you can see this Vanguard started with a very small balance. You know, we're under £500 on the 1st of January 2022. And it's now 176,000. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Granted, I did cash a couple of things out and added in, but that was only about 45 grand. Okay. So the rest of it has come from all the trading you've seen me do and its own interest compounding. And that's the bit that I'm going to get onto. So I've done it. I've done my target. And the pension side of it, because I have 3 pots inside it, is slightly below target because I want 110, but I've got till April to get there. But the other 2 have achieved target. Okay?
I'd buy that for $1.
So that's what the spreadsheet is. But this is the actual bank account. So there you go. So there's the portfolio valuation. And it's the rolling last year, what you can see on here. So it started back here, 100,000, roughly around the 19th of January. So I've put into this 76,000 this year, of which myself, from my own trading profits, is 53,000. Okay. The rest of it is interest that it's growing. So it's made on its own nearly, 19,500 on its own. So it's actually generating a wage without me doing anything. Nothing. And it's just constantly growing. Now, it doesn't work every month. Every month, sometimes it has hard times. As you can see here, we went through a period where it was kind of going backwards. It was losing money. Back here, when the Trump things came in, this is when all the tariffs were kicking off, it lost money. But instead of panicking, I just continue to feed into it because it's a long-term horizon. I'm not looking to cash this out fully for another 4 or 5 years. So this will continue to grow. Now, I did do an evaluation on this when I first started, and I said I wanted to get to 415,000. Now, you'll see that in a video that I made ages ago. If I can dig it out, I'll put a link to it down in the comments. But if you go through the channel, you'll see it. We're not far off. You know, we're well on track. In fact, we're ahead of the game. So what's the moral here? Well, if we sort of look at the transactions, there you go. 14th, nothing in since. There's that 900 quid that I put in. But look at the other transactions. It's a fiver, it's 50 quid, it's 98 quid, 125, 400. Doesn't take much to dump into here. Now, if I was to pull up a broker so I can show you something. All right. Let me just log on.
Well, we're waiting.
I'll just go back the last week or so. Here is the small account that I come. So there's a live account. Just drop that up onto here. Just pull that up. So over the last week or so, this has made 300 quid. You know, just steady profits every day. Boom, 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 boom. Right through. Now, in a couple of weeks' time, I'll cash that out again. And that'll probably be another 900 quid like what you've just seen me dump in. Now, the reason that's so successful is because I'm not greedy. I get in, I get out, I get paid. And when I've been paid, I quit. And then every couple of weeks, I take the money out and I dump it in here, as you can see. Bish, bash, bosh. You know, even here. If you go through the videos, you'll see that I closed off an interest rate account because I got over 10 grand in it, did quite well. Thought, you know something, it's sitting there doing now. I'll put it in there. And that account, you saw me trade up as well. You know, so that was from a prop. Now, what I'm driving at with this little video is once you've built something, it'll do the heavy lifting for you.
Really? Really, really?
I could get that to a point in a couple of years' time where I could live off the interest and not do anything. You know, because at the moment it's generating just shy of £20,000 a year in interest. Well, you put a little bit into that, then that'll keep on going. Now, my aim is to keep well ahead of inflation, because inflation is a killer. You know, might have 20,000 this year, but if inflation increases, my £20,000 won't be the same value. So I need to sort of, next year I'd want £23,000 in interest, or maybe it's 26,000. Who knows? Depends on what the rates are and the cost of living. But what I'm driving at is, just because something is small, it's not that it's worth it, or worthless rather. It is worth it. It all adds up. You know, that horizon is well thought out. Now, let's take prop, for example. People buy a prop fund and then they try and pass it in a week. Why? It teaches you a bad habit, because yes, you might pass it in a week, but you're going to blow it the next week because you've got no discipline. But if it took you, say, 4 weeks to pass, or even 3 months, but you continue to do the same thing day in, day out, sort of like a fiver every day, and then just increase the position size ever so slightly as the pot grows, and then you're making 6 or 7 quid a day, suddenly you'll find time is paying you. And why is time paying you? Because you're doing the same thing. You're not changing, you're not chasing, you're not doing anything. You're just letting time play out, you know, and that's it. You know, same thing day in, day out. And as you go through the journey, it goes like that. Now, I've built a career on that, starting small and building up. That's it. So I was really pleased with that, because now that heavy lifting, it's essentially done £1,000 on its own in a couple of days. I didn't even have to touch it. I shouldn't have really said that, because Mighty Lugs here will be, now what are you fucking buying?
I'm not buying anything, I'm just looking. I'm going to finish.
Let's go shopping and really give them something to worry about.
Fuck's sake, every time I turn round, she's either looking at a house, looking at something for the house, or she's buying new clothes. And you'll not think I have an easy life.
You do?
Who told you that? When did that idea come into your head? Well, let's be honest, there's nothing in your head most of the time. Okay, now.
Hey.
Well, there ain't.
Nice.
Trust me. Joanne puts no thought into anything. You know, what's for tea? Where are we going? What else are we having? Oh, we having this one. Oh, your fucking brains woke up, has it?
Oh dear, how sad, never mind.
Just get back to your trading.
You just get back to...
I'll do the spending, you do the earning.
Piss off. You want something, you earn it, and you know exactly how to earn it.
I want sex.
She does as well, boys and girls. She makes the coffee. What did you think I was speaking about? What did you really think I was speaking about? We're in our 50s. We don't do that sort of thing on a Monday. We leave it to the weekend. Right. Okay, for those of you who've never been here before, there's never a script in these things. It's just an idea in my head and off we go. She just, well, I don't know what the fuck she does. Because as you can see, we obviously get dressed for camera.
I am in the middle of painting, I'm having a cup.
You are decorating the dining room, I'll give you that. You are doing that. No glossy videos. I do the best I can. I do have decent equipment because I kind of buy it and I still make a shitload of, well, just make shit, basically. I'm doing my best because ultimately I trade for a living. I do this for fun. There is a difference. And that is something that you need to ask yourself. Whenever you're following people, are they making videos or are they trading for a living? There is a difference. Anyway, so if you're stuck, I'm very easy found. Just drop on the website, scruffytrader.com, see what I'm all about, etc. And if you're there, my contact details are there. It's the only contact details I use because there are a lot of copycats out there pretending to be me. Trust me, I will never contact you. Never. But if you contact me, I'll always speak to you. That is the difference. And I do it that way so you know that you're not getting caught out by the naughty people. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.